In this video, I'll show you how to change the primary currency in Wise. Step 1. Open the Wise app or website. Log into your Wise account on your phone or computer and go to the main dashboard. I'll leave a link to wise.com in the description down below. Step 2. Go to Balances or Accounts tab. Tap on the Balances or Accounts tab, depending on your app version. Step 3. Add or select currency. Scroll through available currencies, tap the plus to add a new one, and or select the currency you prefer to use as primary. Step 4. Top up and use that currency. Top up your preferred currency to make it your main balance for spending, transfers, and card payments. Wise prioritizes using currencies you have available, especially your most recently topped up one. Step 5. For card spending. Set spend preferences. In Wise Card settings, choose the balance from which the card should spend first. This acts as your practical primary currency for card use. Now I have some tips for managing currencies in Wise. Remove currencies you don't use after clearing their balances. Wise will always use the locally required currency if available, or convert with the lowest fee if not. Update your addresses if you move countries. Your asset overview will display in your local currency. And that's how you set a new primary currency in Wise. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe. And if you have any questions, you can leave them in the comments.